To demonstrate ProOne heavy-duty oil stabilizer with XPL Plus technology, we use a triple cross-axis friction machine, similar to what is used in laboratories to test film strength of oils and lubricants. An inch-pound torque wrench is used to apply pressure between a tapered roller bearing that has a C58 Rockwell hardness and a spinning race that has a C62 Rockwell hardness. An amp gauge shows how much power is drawn when pressure is applied on the torque wrench. When 6 pounds of pressure is applied, through this geometrical progression of leverage, we get 4,000 pounds of pressure per square inch at point-to-point contact. When the needle reaches all the way to the other end of the torque wrench, there is 200,000 pounds per square inch at point-to-point contact. The three things to watch here are the needle on the torque wrench, the amp gauge, and the wear scar on the bearing. First, we try a top-of-the-line diesel-rated motor oil. With only a fingerful of pressure, equivalent to about 4,000 pounds per square inch, the machine stops, and the damage to the bearing happens in only a few seconds. And just look at the wear scar. To improve performance and protection, many consumers use thick additives like this one. Again, under the same conditions, it fails at 4,000 pounds of pressure, and there is still severe damage to the bearing. Now we test ProOne heavy-duty oil stabilizer with XPL technology with the same motor oil. And what a difference! This time we can pull the torque wrench all the way to the end and take a look at the amp gauge. That's 200,000 psi, over 50 times the pressure, and we still can't stop the test machine, no matter how long we hold it there. In an extreme situation where you blow a head gasket, as little as 5% of the water in the system will cause catastrophic failure. So we pour an excessive amount of water with only the ProOne heavy-duty oil stabilizer bonding to the metal, and the machine will not stop at over 200,000 pounds of pressure. Engine oil will get contaminated with dust and dirt, which finds its way into your oil, damaging engine parts. So we added dirt to the water, and as you can see, the machine continues to run even at 200,000 pounds of pressure. This is extreme protection and performance. ProOne heavy-duty oil stabilizer. There's nothing like it for your high-mileage gasoline engine that's smoking or leaking oil, and for any diesel engine. Why settle for anything less?